Hypnosis to Change Your Life with Dr. Steve G. Jones.
The question is, which inductions do I find that I use the most? And by far the top induction that I use is the beach induction. We're talking about inductions. Inductions are what are used to induce hypnosis. If you have someone who you're putting in hypnosis, you would use an induction and then a deepening, and then the script where you're programming them. The deepening is just where you're deepening the work you've done in the induction. You're making it more intense. You're bringing them lower, having the sunset or something like that. And the script is where you're programming them, and then you use amnesia sometimes to have them forget the session so they don't analyze it, and then you bring them out. But the induction is the first part of the session where you bring them into hypnosis. I almost always use the beach induction. You're walking along a beach, you hear the birds, you see the waves, because people find it relaxing. But I always ask, do you like the beach? Because some people had traumatic experiences at the beach. Some people find the beach annoying. They don't like the sand, they don't like the sun, they don't like the people, they don't like anything about it, and they'd rather not be at the beach. I find the beach very relaxing. I live right near the beach. I love the beach. But that's not true of everyone. So my favorite induction, and the one I get the most mileage out of, the one I use the most, is definitely the beach induction. But there are others, such as woods, walking in the woods, city, walking in the city, space, you're floating in outer space. You're just using the imagination here. You're just having someone close their eyes and imagine things. So you can have them imagine anything you want. You can imagine having them flying over the pyramids of Egypt, gently touching one of the pyramids, feeling the sandiness of the material they used to build, the brick they used to build the pyramid. You can use anything, but these all pale in comparison to the beach. The beach would get five check marks. These would probably all get one. City would be at the bottom, because people usually don't find the city very relaxing. However, when I hypnotize people in New York, they like the city induction because they do enjoy the city, and that's why they live there. So beach is numero uno.
Hypnosis to Change Your Life with Dr. Steve G. Jones.